Yes. Today we are going to record the young professionals sitting on the boat, and they are getting the training on ADCP, and Mr. Imran Tunyo is leading this technical team and of the young professionals. We are right now standing on a boat at the embankment of Kabi feeder, very close to the Kotli Barrage, and these are the young professionals. They are taking the ADCP training, and Mr. Imran Tunyo is a technical officer in PMOSB, is guiding the young professionals how they have to take the mayor's measurement about the ADCP, measurement of the water through the ADCP at Kabi feeder. And look at, this is the Kabi feeder, and that is off-taking canal from Kotli Barrage, and this is the team. Mr. Sajid Ali Bhutto is monitoring that ADCP training, and look at, this is the Kabi feeder. What is coming from Kotli Barrage and moving towards Kinjar Lake and other parts of this area, and this canal is feeding water to the Karachi as well as. So we are moving towards more the technical team and in training of the ADCP, and we are going to talk some words Mr. Imran Tunyo, and we are going to close more. Sir, what you are guiding this about the ADCP training to the young professionals?
Sir, young professionals are capable to get real-time discharge through ADCP, and they are now practicing and getting discharge through ADCP during training session. So maybe this is a very good activity for him, and I like to further invite Mr. Aurangzeb Bahman. He is a young engineer, Axian Kotli Barrage. He will guide us further.
Sir, what you are guiding to the young professionals in this ADCP training? Right now we are standing on the boat at the Kabi feeder, and brief about that one, the training.
Thank you, Khush Saab. Actually, I am not briefing them. Actually, I am learning myself. This is second day of our training, and this is very fruitful activity that we are calculating real-time discharge in one of the canals of Kotli Barrage, and many of new entrants in the department, they have started their career in the irrigation department. They are joining us, and they are learning new technologies and new equipments which are necessary right now for the betterment of our department.
Thank you. The process आप देख लें, this is the process of the training, and young professionals are participating in this training. While in this training there is Mr. Aurangzeb. He is executive engineer of Kotli Barrage. He is also participating in this training as well as this is the ADCP training to measure the water velocity and other measurement they are taking here and about the water, and trainer is guiding these young professionals in this ADCP training. And you look at this is the water. This is of a Kabi feeder. It's flowing from Kotli Barrage, and towards this water is flowing Kinjar Lake, and this water is being supplied to the Karachi as well as. So look at, this is the water, and the irrigation officials are getting the training how they have to measure the water, and this is training is a means to get the knowledge about the water and measurement, and some in areas the problems happens with the landlords and as well as disputes over the water. So to end the water dispute, this training is being provided to the irrigation officials and how they have to measure the water and how many cusics they have released and how they have to provide the water cusics to the concerned canals as well as to the landlords of the area. So this is fruitful training and through the latest and modern equipment that's called ADCP, and this training is being conducted through the experts, and this is second day. And on the first day, live session was carried out at Gymkhana Hyderabad. Mr. Kevin from USA, he provided a lot of information. And today is a practical day that the technical team and the young professionals are getting this training about ADCP. There's equipment, and I'm going to show this equipment, how it is working. And this is equipment. It's called ADCP, and it's getting measurement about the water at the cabby feeder, and this is the training process. So look at, and it's attached with this boat, and it's connected through Bluetooth at the laptop. And I'm showing you this laptop from where from the software. They are getting the training through the digital way, and it's a very quite well, and it's a better way to get the measurement of the water. So we are now, I'm showing you, this is the cabby feeder. It's right now located at Kotli Barrage. This water is flowing towards Karachi, and this is the biggest canal. It is originating from Kotli Barrage as well as, and look at this is the team, a senior officer of the irrigation, deputy director project, SBIP, since Barrages Improvement Project, Mr. Sajid Hussain Bhutto. He is monitoring this ADCP process, and other officials are accompanied him as well as how they are looking at how the training is going on and conducting of the training. This is one of the process of engineers to boost, to enhance their capacity in the department related with the water. So now we reached close towards the embankment of this cabby feeder, and I will try to talk with the team leader, and we are showing these officers and how they are monitoring this process, and we are very close to the embankment. As soon as I will reach, we will try to talk with the senior officers related with this training process. So now we are moving towards this embankment to show the further process, how this team is providing data to the experts, and that they have right or wrong. So we reached close to the, I'm following Mr. Imran Tunyo, and these are the officials are monitoring here. Mr. Tala, how are you, sir?
Sir, I am fine.
What are you doing here?
Sir, we are on field training today of ADCP.
Okay.
And we are demonstrating the field demonstration of the equipment. What is the usage in the field? What are the criteria? How to operate? So we give the training to the irrigation staff.
Okay.
It's a whole day. Enjoy to all of the participants.
Okay. Thank you. I am moving towards